Hello everyone, myself Pooja Avasthi, your history ma'am. Here I am going to define the syllabus of class 12 history. In class 12 history, your course structure is divided in two parts. The exam paper will be of 100 marks, that is divided in two parts, 80 marks for your theory paper and 20 marks for your project work. So for theory paper, you have 15 chapters to read, and these 15 chapters are divided in three themes. First theme comprises from unit 1 to 4, that is of 24 marks. Second unit second part is from unit 5 to 9, and third unit from 10 to 15 chapter. First part has 24 marks, second has 25 marks, and third part has 26 marks of your whole 80 marks. And the last one is the map work that consists 5 marks. You also have a project work for 20 marks. Here you can read out the details for the project work. As history is one of the most important discipline in school education, it is the study of the past which help us to understand our present and shape our future. It promotes the acquisition and understanding of historical knowledge in breadth and in depth across culture. So you will be given definite topics for your project work. You have to choose any one topic for your class 12, and with the help of your teacher you can achieve the objectives of project work. Here are the marks distribution for the 20 marks of project. 2 marks for project synopsis, 3 marks for data or statistical analysis or map work, 5 marks for visual or overall presentation, 5 marks for analysis, explanation and interpretation, 1 mark for bibliography, and 4 mark will be for viva. You will also have a viva that is of 4 marks. Here you can see that the questions in your exam paper are of different types, like remembering, understanding, applying, high order thinking skills, evaluation type questions. So remembering and understanding type of portion consists 24 marks, applying type questions has 24 marks, high order skill thinking and evaluation 27 marks, and map skill based question will be for 5 marks. I also have attached the list of maps for your class 12 history. You can see here the list of maps is according to the page number of your book. Like in page number 2 you can get the mature Harappan sites like Harappa, Banavali, Kalibangan, Balakot, Rakhigari, Dholavira, etc. In page 30 you can get the name of Mahajanpadas and cities at that particular time. Page number 23, distribution of Ashokan inscription, and so on. Like this you can see. The last one is at the page number 305, main centers of the revolt of 1857. These all are the sites or the places you will be asked in the exam to fill in the map. This is all about your course structure. Thank you and have a good day.